Using Messenger Bot for surveys. Messenger Bot can also automate survey within your Facebook page. With its features, it's easy to conduct survey for your product line or for research purposes. Messenger Bot has it. Just follow the process below and with just a spin of your hand, you have your first survey with Messenger Bot. In Messenger Bot dashboard, scroll down to select Messenger Bot features. To access the Web Form Builder section, select Web Form Builder, then select Actions from the Messenger Bot screen. Web View Manager screen consists of a list of pages. You can search for a specific page by using the search bar. You can adjust the number of pages to be viewed per page. You can also arrange them in either ascending or descending order by selecting the arrows from the header. To perform different actions on the templates, select the toolbox icon in the Actions option against the page you want to perform actions on. The following are the actions that can be performed. View the form by selecting the form icon. View the report by selecting the eye icon. Export the data from the form by selecting the spreadsheet icon. Edit the form by selecting the pencil icon. Delete the form by selecting the trash bin icon. Select Create a new form from the top right of the screen. Provide the form name and form title for your new form. Select the page for which you want to create your form for survey. In Select Page, choose Facebook page where you will conduct a survey. Drag and drop the fields you want to drag in the form as described in Web Form Elements. To create a web form by dragging and dropping the elements from the right side to the canvas on the left side. You can add as many components as you want to the form. You can rename these components. For this purpose, you have the following set of elements. Header, here you can write the title/agenda of your form. Text field, you can add and edit a text from this field. Text area, you can add and edit a text from this area. Select, you can add a drop-down menu using this select option. It will have many options. In the form, the user can choose one option. Radio group, it will have many radio buttons. In the form, user can choose one. Checkbox group, it will have many checkboxes. In the form, user can choose one. Date field, it will have them /dd/ye field. Time field, it will have dash field to make the user enter the time. Button, it is a clickable box that works on the action. Select Save to make a new form. Overview of a created form. It is mandatory to choose the button field while creating a new form. After clicking the Save button, the form has been updated successfully. Click OK. In the dashboard, scroll down and select Messenger Bot features. In Messenger Bot menu, select Bot Settings and click Actions. Select Page and select Bot Reply setting. Then, click Add Bot Reply. Provide the bot name and please provide your keywords in commas separated. Select the reply type and provide a reply message for survey. Provide button text name and button type. Also, provide a web URL. You can find this URL in Web View Manager and click Actions and then select View Form. It will lead to the URL. Copy and paste it into the bot reply settings. Then, click Submit. Bot reply has been added successfully. Click OK. The created bot reply. Log into Facebook and try the web form survey created. Type the keyword. This will be the reply after typing the keyword. Then, click the button to fill out the survey. This is the survey created with Messenger Bot. After filling out the survey, click Submit the survey. It has a total forms submitted by the subscriber. This is the report of the survey. If you want to cut down on your time and energy and enhance your productivity with automated surveys, Messenger Bot can do it for you. Subscribe now. Click the links in descriptions.